Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Devo. I'm Brent, and today we're going to talk about the most important role in life. In Mark 10, two of Jesus' disciples, James and John, asked Jesus a question. They essentially want to know if when they get to heaven, can they sit on his left and right side of his throne? And watch this. Jesus responds back to them by letting them know they have no clue what they're asking for. He goes on to say that in order to sit on that throne, it's going to require some serious suffering. But then he flips it on them. He lets them and the rest of the disciples know what it takes to climb what I like to call the spiritual ladder of leadership in the kingdom. Let's pick up at verse number 42. Here's what it says. So Jesus called them together and said, "You know that the rulers in this world lord it over their people, and officials flaunt their authority over those under them. But among you, it will be different. Whoever wants to be a leader among you must be your servant. And whoever wants to be first among you must be the slave of everyone else. For even the Son of Man came not to be served, but to serve others and to give his life as a ransom for many." Can you lean in real quick so I can tell you the most important role in life? The most important role in life is not pastor, it's not deacon, it's not husband, it's not wife, it's not father, it's not mother. The most important role in life is servant. Because here's the thing, the way you serve today will determine what you lead or rule in eternity. Here's today's takeaway. If you want to climb the spiritual ladder in the kingdom, I want to encourage you to take the posture of a servant. If that means the ushers need you to help stack chairs, go stack chairs. If the hospitality team needs you to wipe down tables, go wipe down tables. According to Jesus, the greatest among us is not the one who can sing the best. It's not the one who can preach the best. It's not even the one who can lead the best. The greatest among us is the one who serves the best. The servant is the most important role in life.